rushing down the canyon wall. Thunder rolling over the red rocks tonight. Electric fire in the mountain light. Cool air rushing like a welcome shock. Thunder rolling over the red rocks. Oh, the first drops hit the dusty ground and brought the desert perfume around. Sage and cedar riding on the breeze, dancing through the juniper trees. Water carving silver lines down ancient cliffs that stood through time. Every crack and every stone seemed to sing a song of its own. The sky was rumbling overhead, blue skies gone and darkness spread. Then the heavens opened wide and let the monsoon ride. Thunder rolling over the red rocks tonight. Lightning flashes and it lights the night. Cool rain running down the canyon walls, washing away what the desert calls. Thunder rolling over the red rocks tonight. Electric fire in the mountain light. Cool air rushing like a welcome shock. Thunder rolling over the red rocks. For a little while the desert changed. The air felt clean, the world rearranged. Every thirsty branch and blade of grass reached for the rain as the storm rolled past. The thunder echoed